Good morning, ma'am. Today we discuss the topic on access modifier. There are two types of modifiers in Java. First, access modifier, and second, non-access modifier. Again, access modifier can be classified in four types. First is a private, second default, third protected, fourth public. So the access modifier in a Java, it is the specifies the accessibility or scope of the field, method, constructor, or class. We can change the access of the level of a field's constructor, method, class. Applying the access modifier on it. So first is a private. So private, the access level of a private modifier is only within the class. It cannot accessed by from outside the class. Then second is a default. The access level of a default modifier is only within the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. If you want to specify any access level, it is a default. Then protected, third is a protected. The access level or the access level of a the access level of a protect the access level of a protected modifier is a within the package and outside the also outside the package through the through child class. If do not make the child class, it cannot access the outside the package. Then last is the public. So the public access level of a public modifier is a everywhere. It can be accessed from within the class, outside the class, within the package, and outside the package. And then now we discuss in a one by one in a briefly. So first, private. So private access modifier is accessible only within the class. Example of a private access modifier. First, in this example, we can create two classes, class A and class B. Class A contain private data member, and class B and class a class contain both class contain private data member and private method. We are accessing this private method from outside the class, so there is a like a error. So first, class A, private data into 40, then public static void main method, then public class simple. So in that class A, public data is equal to 40, then public void message, and in CISO hello Java. Then public class simple, in that public class void main method. Then we can create one object, a object is equal to new object, then system out data object data, and then a print object message. Output of this project is a compile time error, because if you make class constructor private, you cannot create the instance of a class from outside the class. Then another is a default. If you don't use any modifier, it is treated as a default modifier. Default modifier is accessible within the package. Example of a default modifier, we can create two packages and two package and my package. So in that we are accessing a class from outside the package. Since a class is not public, it cannot be accessed from outside the package. So first is a create package class A. In that print the message hello. Then save by second class, class B. In that main method, so we can create an object and then print the object message. There is also compile time error because class scope of a and method message is a default, so it cannot access from outside the package. Then third is a protected. The protected access modifier is accessible within the package and outside the package, but through instant inheritance only. The protected access modifier can be applied on the data member, method, and constructor. It cannot apply on the class. Example of protected access modifier, suppose we have created the two packages from package from one package, and second is a my package. The class class A from first package is a public, so it can be accessed by outside the package, but message method is a package is a declared as a protected. So like a example, first class A, in that class same as a print the message hello. Then class B, it is a main class, in that we can create a object and then print the message. So output is a hello, because the uh, B class is outside the method. Then public public access modifier is access everywhere. It has the access with everywhere, so we can create two classes. First is a class A and second is a class B. Class A same as a print the message hello, and class B we can create an object, then print the message object message, we call the method. So in that print hello, because this class is accessed everywhere. Thank you.